Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my Arrma Kraton EXB out. So if you watched the last video, I put a whole new differential and bulkhead in the rear. It's an LSD and I also shimmed it. So this is a first run after shimming it, and I'm crossing my fingers we don't have any issues with this differential anytime soon, because I don't know what else I'm gonna do if I continue to have issues with this machine. So yeah, first rip with Arrma Kraton EXB. I am running the 8,000 milliamp. I believe those are Ovonic packs. I think they are 50 C charge rate. Anyway guys, let's jump right into it. We got some snow out today, so this should be fun. That snow's like has like a layer of ice on it. Whoa. Yeah, this snow is actually pretty hard. There's a bunch of ice on the snow, so this thing's actually not really getting traction. It's like skating on top of it. But so far it's doing pretty good. Got some ramps set up right here, guys. Well, we're right side up, guys. Yeah, I can't get any traction. And this doesn't have any type of aid, guys, because I don't have any type of spectrum with AVC. This is an EXB, of course, so I put my own electronics in. So I'm running my Futaba transmitter, so it's all on me to control this thing. Which, yeah. We're gonna hit the ramp again, guys. And I didn't land it right side up. I gotta go get it, guys. Gosh, I'm almost falling, guys. This is what the snow's like. It's just a huge layer of ice on top of the snow that the RC's not breaking through. Let's go ahead and try to get a launch. Ready? Get set, go! But we just spin out. That's actually really funny. That's really funny, actually. Alright guys, you just saw me doing some freaking crazy cyclones upside down. Let's do another launch in the snow. Ready? Get set, go! You really should not do that. Gosh, I can't get any traction though, guys. None. These tires just aren't hooking up. Try to do a flyby. So far, no diff issues though, so. Bring it this way again, guys. Just gradually onto the throttle. Wow, very nice. Surprised the wheel hasn't come off. I'm gonna go back up towards the road, guys. I don't see any cars coming. Did a backflip. That was a nice one. Ooh, I nosedived it. Ooh, totally missed the ramp. Nice. Ran into myself. Nice. Check to see for cars, don't see any. Very nice. There's a slight uphill, guys, and you can see like I just can't get traction coming up it. See how I just ran into that? This is just ice. What do you guys think? Ready? Get set. Go. We hit low voltage mode. You know what? My diff is still in one piece. It's pretty sweet though. I only got a few backflips in. I wish I would have done a few more tricks and a little bit less messing around down doing these cyclones down in the snow. I should have done more tricks, but nonetheless it was still fun, guys, and the limited slip held up. So that's a win. So if you like this video and you like how the Kraton performed and you like that it actually didn't break, go ahead, hit thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos. We're gonna have this thing out and bashing again. So see you later, guys.